Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Jing Monis Hair Project. Today, we're with Fennel.
Hi! I'm looking forward to having some experimentation because I've been a blonde for a long time. I've been doing curly hair, so this time I'm looking forward to something more different, like a different tone, a different shade, and how to style it, how to maintain it.
Actually, Fennel and I know each other for a long time. Pero, nag-message siya sa akin sa IG ko. Gusto niya daw maging boodler ko. Ibang level na yung boodler chapter namin ni Kay Abad.
Ang sabi ko naman, ang nambubudol, one way lang. Kasi yung nambubudol, may nakaisa siya. Yung nabudol, wala siyang nakuha. Hindi siya beneficial for both parties.
So, kaya
ito naman, beneficial.
On both. As you can see, she doesn't need a makeover. But, of course, we just want to enhance her color. Parang you've been blonde for the longest time, di ba? To be honest, she's our regular client in the salon. She goes to our Greenbelt branch. I'm just gonna transform her to a different shade of tone of her color. When it comes to length, no, I still like the length. I just need to give a more defined lines on your cut. With the color, parang I want to add a warm and a cool tone. Parang a rose gold sa hair mo. Add more lighter tone in front kasi ito yung nakaka-soften ng mukha. What's important of getting a color is the color placement. Hindi lang po yung nilagay sa buhok niyo yung kulay. We do sectioning on particular head. Depends on how we want the color to be applied. This is the head chart that we're doing in the salon. Since I want most of the color focused on your facial para it soften your face. And add more lighter underneath your hair. I'll do a diagram para pag nakita ng color technician namin, alam niyo na kung anong gagawin. Kasi ito na yung sinusundan namin. And also, we keep records of our clients. So when they come back again on their next sessions with us, alam namin yung history ng kulay niya. So guys, this is Ian. This is one of our color technician here. Sabi nga nila, tinatanong nila kung paano mo malalaman kung anong bagay sa'yo, if it's warm or cool tone. If you're Caucasians, some people, we base it on the color of the eyes. Kung lighter ang mata mo, parang pwede kang mag-cool tone. Or kung mas darker ka, pwede ka mag-warm tone. So, depende yan on the color of your eyes. So, isang ano yun
You can also base it on the jewelry that you wear. So, there's cool, warm, and neutral. So, basically, if gold is more bagay on you, you're warm tone.
Yes.
And then, if it's silver, like Jing, you're cool tone. And you're neutral pag parehong bagay sa'yo.
Correct. Like, section the hair on how you want to apply the colors and where you place it. So, since I'm placing the lighter tone, a cooler tone in front, so I'm separating this already. I'm creating a diamond section in the crown area. This is a good technique para mas nade-design yung, mas personalize sa client niya yung color nila. So, eto lahat to will be a lighter tone. Sa crown, pwede tayo mag-add ng darker tone ng content. Okay, so now we're mixing the deposit color. So, eto na yung cool tone niya and then warm tone sa other end. We're using the Illumina Japan. It's the new color of Wala. Parang limited pa lang yung colors available. But it's such a good color. 1 is to 1.5, the mixture. So 1.5 of the peroxide and 1 of the color. It's a fact. With these formulations, with this product that we're using, it has to be 100% dry. But meron akong mga ibang ginagawang technique din. With another different brand naman na wet application na kahit basa yung buhok, pwede mo siya, kumakapit pa rin yung kulay. So it depends on the product. That's why it's so important for the stylist or the colorist to know the product really well. So now we're done with the coloring. We'll go on cutting now. So we'll just reshape your hair, but we'll still keep it long. Guys, this is so important. Most of you na nagbe-bleach ng hair, hindi alam kung paano alagaan ang bleach hair. First of all, since your hair is bleached, that means lahat ng moisture, lahat ng natural oil na tinanggal, na-strip na lahat. So, kailangan nyo mag-treatment is para bumalik yung natural moist ng hair mo. Okay, this is what I'm using now, the treatment I'm using on her. You should have home care parate. Lalo na ikaw, ilang beses ka na nag-color. diba? So just imagine the amount of chemicals that you've been putting in your hair. So ang ending niyan, pag hindi mo siya nalagaan, your hair's gonna get so weak, dehydrated, and it will become brittle.
So twice a week, just the hair mask. And then...
Tapos you have to use the leave-in conditioner every day. Pag like ikaw, you style your hair a lot, diba?
Yes, I curl
So
my hair.
kailangan mo ng heat protector.
So you apply this before you dry your hair?
Before you dry your hair.
Okay. So right after shampooing,
towel dry, and then you spray that.
And then blow dry curl.
Then
okay. Learning. So madalas ako nagbablonde, hindi ako nagkaganyan.
See? No, because dati naman wala naman din ganyan yan. Kailan naman na naglabasan yung mga thermal protector. Don't crush your legs, honey. Yeah, again, rule. Jing Monis rule. Do not crush your leg when you're getting a haircut. Para pantay. It's very minimal layering lang gagawin sa'yo. Just to give a lift and movement on your hair. So when you curl it, it has a nice shape.
Do you remember the first time that you cut my hair? You cut it really short.
Oh.
So from this long, ganyan. Cut mo ng ganyan.
Ganyan.
Oh, bata pa ko.
Gets! Dene! And another thing is, yung iba cases, yung mga nagpapa-dark ng hair, from light, nagpa-dark. So, ang tendency niyan, pag gusto nyo bumalik ng light, hindi kakapit yung kulay. It will take a longer time. These are the product I'm using on her. First is, I'll spray a leave-in conditioner sa ends ng hair niya. So, and then now, I use a thermal protector, a heat protector. So, I'll spray the right amount lang na I think the hair needs para siya nagiging foam. Girl, kung makasingot ka naman siya. So, kino-comb ko lang siya. So, this is the finished color. And then the cut and the layers. So, ito yung tinwist ko na bangs niya. So, it ends right where I wanted. And you see the color inside? Can you see that?
Super love it.
Thank you, thank you. More to come. So, we'll show them also a different hairstyle with this cut and this color. Okay guys, I hope you like it. Don't forget to watch, like, subscribe, and comment of Jing Monis Hair Project. See you again.
Bye.
Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
Option 1 is to do a high ponytail like this.